Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Punzo, and if you're new here, welcome. Today we're gonna be making a recipe from a side that said it is from Mark Wahlberg's mother. This is gonna be a macaroni salad. With this one, I just followed the recipe, and I'm gonna leave the link down below to where I got the recipe. I'm also gonna put up the full recipe on my Facebook page. You can go check it out there as well. I hope you enjoy the recipe, so let's just get into it.
Perfect.
To start off, put the macaroni into a bowl, add in the oil, and then mix everything. And then add in the red and green peppers, and then the celery, and then the red onions, and then the parsley. Then mix everything together. Add in the mayonnaise, and mix everything together again. And then add in your seasoning. And then you're done. Put it in the fridge, let it chill. You can store it and use it any other time. This recipe was straight to the point. You can change up any way you want to. You can change the flavors any way you want to. So try it out. Guys, I hope you enjoyed that. And if you did, don't forget to leave a thumbs up and also hit that subscribe button. And on the side, there's a little notification bell. Click that too so that you can get all the new videos as I post. And guys, don't forget to share with your friends, families, and enjoy the recipes. Thanks for watching, guys. Till next time, bye.